The final look after a full clean polish and ceramic coating. This is how you keep your car looking brand new. Once a year I go ahead and I usually clay bar and I'll buff, a slight quick buff, degrease, and then a clay bar. And this is what the final product looks like, guys. Alright guys, just so you know, today I'm going to be doing a little paint correction on my Volvo here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Not sure if you can see it in the camera, but there's these little lines in the paint from a ceramic coating that I put on it. And it's really bad just really on the hood, so I'm going to go ahead and clay bar the car because it's the spring here, freshen it up, and then I'm going to probably buff the hood here, try to get these lines out of the paint. You can probably see it right here best. And then I'm going to go ahead and reapply a fresh ceramic coating. Let's do it. Guys, you can probably see what I'm talking about from this angle right here. See all this old coating from the ceramic? So that's what we're trying to get out of the paint. I don't think this is going to do the trick, but we're going to try. If not, we'll take the buffer. So I don't think it's working, obviously, but as you can see, this is a brand new clay bar here, and there's not much coming off the paint, which is actually a really good thing. Alright guys, so I'm going to link in the description, excuse me, in the description I'm going to link all the products that I'm using for this process, so if you want to go ahead and do it yourself, you can. I'm going to be using the 3M Perfect It rubbing compound, okay? You can find it in this bottle here. Not the cheapest, as you would expect it to be, but it lasts you quite a long time, and it's very useful, very functional. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Wow guys, so after that first pass, I got 90% of it off. There's still a few spots that I have to go back over, but now that I did that one pass, I can totally see where it needs to be touched up. Like in this area here, here. Pretty amazing. And obviously this feels really smooth. Right here. Okay. So that one did it. I took off the ceramic coating successfully. So smooth. Wow. That is really nice. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. For the rest of the car, guys, I'm just gonna touch up the areas that I feel need it the most. This was the worst of it, because this was the first application I made with the ceramic coating last year, this part of the car. And obviously from that point forward, I got better at it. So this had the worst of that situation. And this is just so smooth. Wow. I'm just enjoying touching it, guys. That's how nice it feels. Sorry. Moving on. Alright guys, so now she is spring prepped. As you've seen, clay bar buffing. Look at how nice it looks.
One eternity later.
The final look after a full clean polish and ceramic coating. This is how you keep your car looking brand new. Once a year, I go ahead and I usually clay bar and I'll buff, a slight quick buff, degrease, and then a clay bar. And this is what the final product looks like, guys. This car is a 2012 and it looks brand new minus some road scars. And as you've seen in the video, I was cleaning it, I clay barred it, I buffed it, and then the last step is I used Car Pro ceramic coating, and it comes in a kit like this. This Car Pro pad comes with white strips that lay on top of this. And all you do to apply it to your paint, guys, is you put it on there, you hold it, you get it wet, and then you go into motions like this in small sections back and forth to make sure you get the whole area. You let it sit on there for about 20 seconds, and then you take a microfiber and just simply wipe it off of the car. You don't want it to necessarily dry on there completely like I did last year. It will leave streaks. So when you do it the right way like you see here, it doesn't leave any streaks on the paint, and it leaves you with this fine finish. I do this personally. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I do also put the ceramic coating on the plastic trim pieces like this. I let it dry on there completely. I don't mind. I don't go ahead and wipe it off. And as you can see, it keeps that looking nice and black and protected. So that's what the car looks like, guys, after a full detail clay bar, buff, and ceramic coating. I do this once a year. So there it is, guys. The car looks brand spanking new. And she is good to go for the summer. And I'll just maintain it with some Car Pro cleaner. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. That is a soap that is a soft soap. It won't actually remove the ceramic coating from your paint, which is good. And then you can go ahead and always use this bottle of Reload once you're done washing it to keep the ceramic coating fresh. So all the links are in the description, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time hitting the channel, please subscribe, and also don't mind leaving a comment below, as I love answering your questions and feedback. So I will see you guys all next time. Thanks.